Welcome to my channel, learners. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamental concept of managerial economics. So the managerial economics is completely the theory, the law of economics, so that contributing in the business environment. So in this class we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of managerial economics and the divisions of economics, and then the scope of managerial economics. So these three concepts that we are going to discuss in today's class. In general, what do you mean economics? So economics is the study about the relationship between the resources that are available and the human wants. Here, the resources that are available are limited, but the human want, the desires, are unlimited. So economic concepts is basically how these limited resources can be allocated to maximize the satisfaction when you consume the goods and services. This is the basic concept in economics. Then we move to what is the managerial economics. So the managerial economics, it's all study about how the economic theories, the different theories that contributing to the managerial skills in the business environment. In other words, the managerial economics is all deal with the application of economic theories in the managerial practices. As I said, the managerial economics is also study about the allocation of resources that are available in the environment to a particular firm among the regular activities of the firm. According to Milton Spencer, the managerial economics as the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by the management. According to James Bates and J.R. Parkinson, the managerial economics is the study of the behavior of firm in theory and practice. So from these definitions, we can understand that managerial economics is all study about the decision making process and the demand forecasting. So this is very, very important because of the manager in any business firm, he has to work in the uncertainty condition. That is very, very important. So from this, we can classify the economic concepts into 5 broader aspects. One is consumption related analysis. The second, production and production function. The third one, exchange. Fourth one, distribution. And fifth one, public finance. When we talk about the consumption, it is all about how the consumer can get maximum satisfaction when you consume your goods and services. So these concepts are explained by different theories that includes law of diminishing marginal utilities, law of EQ marginal utilities, law of demand, consumer surplus analysis, and indifference curve analysis. These are some example under the consumption analysis. The second one, production and related cost and revenue. So the production analysis is helping want to understand how the factors of production allocated to get maximum output. So here the factors of production, there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organization. So these are the primary factors of production, and how the cost involved the production and how much revenue we can get out of this production function. This is very, very important concept in the managerial economics. This is also called general theory in the managerial economics. Next, exchange. The exchange means all study about the market function. So any goods and services can be exchanged to, or goods or to the money. The traditional exchange functions based on the barter system. That means the goods can be exchanged to the goods. But in the modern economy, it is all the money-based markets. So all the goods and services mostly they are exchanged for the money. So under this money market, money-based, price-based market, we are discussing the markets based on the time, volume, regulations, as well as the competition. The competition concept is very, very important. It is all about the how the price are fixed in the different markets. So the competition based market can be classified broadly into two. One is perfect competition, another one imperfect competition. The next concept is distribution. So distribution, in this aspect we are discussing how the factors of production are getting their rewards. For example, there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organization. Land will get rent for its service. Labor will get wage for their services. And capital will get interest. Then organization, the owner, they will get the profit. So the rent, wage, interest, and profit, these rewards, how these distributing to the factors of production. And finally, public finance. The public finance, it's all about the macroeconomic concepts. In general, it's study about the income and expenditure of the government. So income is come to the government through taxable income as well as the non-taxable income, and expenditure as well as the public debt. So these are the important divisions in economics. Next we will move to the scope of managerial economics. It is all about what are the different aspects that included in the managerial economics. For example, the first one, managerial economics, is it positive economics or normative economic concept? So before that we should know what is the meaning of positive concept and normative concept. In economics there are two important the words we should know and we have to remember. The positive economics or positive science means it is study about cause and effect. In other words, we can say it is what is this? What about? Just we study what is the cause and effect. I can give one example. The price increases. This is the cause. So what is the effect? The demand will affect. If the price increases, the demand will be affected. So here we are studying the cause and effect. So another concept is normative science or normative economics. It is study about what should be or what ought to be. That means economics is not only study about the cause and effect, and also explaining what would be the possible solution for many economic problem. This is the first scope of managerial economics. The second one is the area of study in the managerial economics. As we have discussed the 5 important concepts. So here, particularly in the managerial economics, we are going to study about the demand analysis. Demand analysis means law of demand, elasticity of demand, and also the demand forecasting that included the decision making. The next, as I said, the cost and production analysis. The next one, the pricing decision, policies and practices. It is all about the exchange, the market function. And then the profit management. The profit is a fundamental and very, very important concept in the business. All the managers, all the businessmen, the main motto of them is getting maximum profit. So managerial economics, the concepts are helping the business owner, the manager, how he can increase his profit at the maximum level. And the capital management, it is all about how the resources allocated optimally. Then the linear programming and theory of games. It is all about the quantitative economic theories. The third one, profit. As I said, the profit is the central concept in managerial economics because of the main motto of businessman to maximize his profit. So he tried to get maximum profit in a different way. The next one, optimization. Optimization means how the managerial economics concept is helping to take the proper decision making to resolve the problems and also to increase the profit. So these are the 4 important points we can consider as the scope of managerial economics. The first one, economics study about positive science as well as the normative science. And the broader area of managerial economics, then the central concept in managerial economics is profit and optimization. Okay, students and learners. So today my class helped to understand the fundamental concepts in managerial economics. So thank you so much for watching my video.